Do you mind as well? Because I'm
I can see over
Any
you.
type of softener or just straight dry?
You can use softener. Since I don't cut, so I just want to, kind of push back and make a wall there. That's all I need. Does anyone have red polish? Gel polish?
I'll find you something.
We do the blue yesterday, so. Remove shine with 100 side of buffer.
Kidding not. Well, actually,
Okay.
true marble.
Yeah, very smooth. Very smooth rồi hẳn. Còn mình làm thấy ghê.
Cô mới làm lần ngày đầu tiên mà. Dạng sự khởi đầu nan, nhưng mà gian nan đừng có nản. Đấy.
Câu cái câu này mà để ngày nào cũng mở ra nghe.
Đúng rồi.
Nói lại. Nói tay ta đẹp. Xéo rồi biết rồi.
Nhưng mà làm tự mình hơi khó hơn, là người ta làm lại dễ.
Tại biết sao làm cho người ta mình lấy tiền nó dễ. Làm cho mình có lấy được tiền đâu.
Okay, so to do marble, I need, you can do with soft white or where's my bright white. Either one, but I like the contrast more, so I'll do with bright white and clear to create a depth. Okay, so I will take a clear.
Now Vincent uses more clear than he uses the bright white. Why? Because he likes his marble to have, he likes to see more of the storm. It's called the storm. Mấy cái vàng ở trong nó là kêu là storms. Okay? So he likes to see more of that, and if you want to have that look, you have more clear than the white.
Okay, so I just use.
Giống như 3D vậy đó phải không?
Yeah.
Dạ, nó
That's
giống
what.
ẩm ẩm
Yesterday em xài mo màu trắng không chị?
Dạ, dạ, mo màu trắng.
So bữa nay em xài ít hơn.
Yeah, with the polygel marble, to this day, I think it has the best marble look because one, it's thin, but two, you see the different layers of the marble. It brings it to life.
And as you're filing, you get a different look
Yes.
too, right?
Yep. So feel free to file into it. You don't have to encase it and clear it.
Drop,
Nobody got time for that.
Yeah, right.
one drop. You can do any color. Doesn't have to be black, blue, green, yellow, pink,
Hot
whatever,
pink.
whatever color you want.
Okay.
Then I use
think dark
a
works best.
circle, kind of blend everything together, but not mix. Okay,
Not do the mixing, just
Right.
do the swirling.
right.
Swirl.
Figure eights and figure sixes.
Or infinity way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cô đừng có mix nhiều quá. Đi số 8 mấy lần thôi.
Yeah.
Đừng có đi nhiều.
Okay, then if we need a little bit more color, right here. Okay, so I'm okay with this. Okay, now I'm going to put pH bond on there. Then pro bond.
This is so fast and easy.
Now we use the spatula to take everything that we already mixed. Okay. And roll on the nail. Okay.
Saw how he placed down the polygel? He started from the back of the spatula and flipped it over and then squeezed it out. Okay? So it doesn't get stringy.
So when you do marble polygel, you don't want to tap a lot. you just kind of press and push the polygel to the place that you want it to be. Okay?
If you start tapping a lot, you start mixing the
Mixing the
color.
color.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So push it into place. So while he works, if you were doing this for the whole entire hand, you would mix it all at the same time on the palette. Take a little bit, put it on, take a little bit, next finger, next finger, next finger. Just leave all 5 balls there. Whenever you're ready to work with it, just press it into place. Super fast.
Okay, and still do the same thing in the cuticle area. When I'm done with that, I move to the apex.
So for the apex area, if you can see how he has that hump right there, he doesn't touch it as much. So he changes the angle so that there's not a lot of pressure where he wants to have the apex. Because if he were to put pressure there, it would flatten that area. Okay? Watch how he looks when he's touching the polygel. He's moving the finger all around to make sure that he's not missing any areas and there's no high points in any areas.
Okay, when you're happy with that,